your thoughts on that?
I think from the changes, I think it's just all about getting more fresh legs to be able to sustain this type of play that they want to do, but important, given an opportunity. It is a team that hasn't really had a striker that is on a score
to start in their attack.
Yeah, I think with Maboe and Managerial, you can just tell us that it is a team that will rely on those transitions because those players are very, very speedy.
It will be the birthday boy, Oswin Appollis. Happy birthday to him. He turns 25 this evening. He gets the party started, right? Well, he hopes it will be a party for. And combining nicely in, now the ball whipped in, and Mduduzi Shabalala is a great reflex save. Great reflex save from Mduduzi Shabalala against his former teammates. Well, they left him a little present in the net. As we have a look at this.
Yeah, look at how poor defensively Sekhukhune was. I mean, it was a 2v1. They never really pushed out anybody there to be able to try and block that.
About things this time around, they were very timid out in Polokwane at the weekend. And Pirates, yeah, there's a problem here. Could it be that egg that they left him in the net?
This is the save that he had to, it's a reflex save, he had to go down as quickly as possible.
But how much of a thorn in the side of an under-Pirates they've been as Radiopane gives chase! Oh! Great commitment from Radiopane, they're chasing lost causes. And it was just a crazy...
He spoke earlier as to the hunger that he showed in the preseason. Look at this, normally a striker like that's the goalkeeper's ball, but look at the hunger that he shows. Using also the right foot rather than this in case left foot.
Sebele took a deflection in the 4-4. Radiopane scores! Oh, he's waited for this one for a long time. And he's up and running. His coach in perfect fashion. Kaza is not happy with their defending, and I can't say I blame him. Means there was still no one there.
Exactly.
Covering.
Exactly, TT, but you can look at the distance between the two centre-backs, between the two of them, but you look at the ball there, Kazim is forced to go out wide, becomes a 1v1, then there Matsimbi there, because then he's expecting Radiopane to be able to turn to his strong side, but he's opening actually a nice gap there for the striker to be able to punish there, but it was a deflection. Possibly maybe handball,
possibly even, yeah.
But I mean, it is an advantage that is given to an attacking team. Radiopane made sure that that's just a half chance that was given to him. That's why the top striker with the top finish.
In there, great ball whipped in here from the right hand side.
You can see you can see also the miscommunication between Zulu and Siema, and that's where Managerial found a little bit of space, but Managerial
now. Could be problems here. Empty net for the birthday boy! Happy birthday to you! And many happy returns, Oswin Appollis.
You know, finding stiff competitions within the team itself. He's supposed to be very selfish. Look at him, look at the glance. He gives a glance on the left-hand side. He finds Appollis there. Composed Appollis with his experience, with his talent as well. But again, Mansimbi, again, that defensive error that he had in the first half again, that's one thing as well that really in tonight's game between the combination and the communication rather from Cardoso and Matsimbi. That's just why it caused the second goal. But kudos to Radiopane to be able to realize that is in an awkward position. There is a teammate that is free, and Appollis as well to apply that pressure and compose inside the box.
You know you're in trouble. You confirm those changes for you run now. They are both attacking changes. Sipho Mbule and Thabo Mbwana have come onto the field, and there is our winner, Sponise. He made an effort. Give the man 30,000 rand for effort. Honestly, that's a hell of a load to carry. Now you can tell them, 30,000 here.
I guess it's always going to be an advantage being given to the goalkeeper, even if you can see right at this challenge.
I don't know what Ndlovu did wrong there.
Exactly, it's always the advantage is always going to be given to the goalkeeper. You can see also the coach as well is asking the same question as to them. When do you, as a footballer, you do a lot?
Sign from Auburn College. Now what a pass that was. Oh. Wow, what a ball to pick out Kositsile. The young man now could not keep his cool there. Oh.
I did say, TT, that if there is a player that is new in the Orlando Pirates colors, which Orlando Pirates player they're going to enjoy in terms of the passes, that's him. Mantiani has those.
Is about to come on. Daniel Cardoso is the player being replaced, and Sekhukhune been shown down the tunnel. That seems to be the signal. Apparently he has been sent off, and that is why Ms. Akona Makalima is showing him down the tunnel. Well, it just goes from bad to worse here from so he will not be on the bench on Saturday. And just mount a late charge. The referee has stopped play now. I think he's been called upon to deal with well, where is he? He's sitting up in the stand there, Sekhukhune. I'm not sure that's where he's supposed to be. Paris now. Oh dear, oh dear. Man toasted. It's Mtian. And turning it on Mtian. It really is impressive.
Yes.
It's quite a chunk of time. Can Sekhukhune set up a grandstand finish here? Chance here! Mutela straight at the keeper. Oh, Mutela has been wasteful. In fact, it was not Mutela, I beg your pardon, but oh my goodness, they carved it open. Such a great move here. It's Matlang, it's Mukwena who came off the bench. What a chance, straight at the keeper.
It was it's important to get introduced into this team as soon as possible. It's important for him to get into the score sheet to have that confidence.
Shot from range, way too far out to trouble Sipho Chain. Clean sheet loading. Clean sheet number. Offside there. Not much of a shot there. Appollis was a former Pirates player, of course.